Leadership is the little things. It's the little day-to-day things that make a huge difference, that are meaningful and impactful. And that's why it's tactical leadership. What are the things we do every single day? And if you do those little things right, your effect is going to be disproportionate.
Failures in leadership have killed more businesses than any other business problem around. I have seen the same problem occur time and time again in businesses across the country. My name's Dave Rosenberg. I'm a tactical leadership expert, and I'm leveraging 30 years of experience in the military as well as running companies in the private sector, creating self-directed, high-performing teams. Every single mission we fly first start with a brief where we talk about the processes and procedures necessary to affect the mission. Cohesive teams are created when everybody knows what their job is in the team, and they do it, and they trust each other to do it. I came to the realization that I will never get more out of my team than I expect from myself. Navy, when we were learning to drop bombs and do air attack, discovered very quickly you've got to focus on the right target. The reality is that you can't hit what you can't see, and you can't see if you don't focus.
So I just finished watching Dave Rosenberg, and it's by far the best presentation that I've seen so far.
There's a lot of business leaders here, and they really took a lot from his message.
It was a great look at how the military aspect of leadership can be applied to our side leadership.
My experience is practical and not theoretical. I've studied leadership and I've trained, and I've also had the honor to practice it over 35 years, starting in the military. I ended up running 4 different companies as president. I've been in senior leadership in a couple others. So I've had to walk the talk. I think that gives me a distinct advantage over a lot of leadership coaches and trainers who have got degrees in leadership, but they never actually had to put those theories to the test. My methodology is time-tested and proven.
I want you to remember 2 things. 1, be of service. Think about being of service. And 2, do the right thing.